Hi everyone. Namaste. This is Rama Shukmar. I'm back again to talk about what GCCs can prop up the boom of Bharat. Our Prime Minister also recently spoke about how GCCs can add value. There is a market size of $46 billion that we are focusing on. So, this is an area which we can talk about, learn more about as we talk to each other through this groundbreaking podcast. First of all, thank you so much for the encouraging response to my trailer. I'm excited to be back and talk about what GCCs can prop up. My first episode, Genius of GCCs, we delve into the fascinating world of how GCCs can become a transformation and innovation partners. I'm Rama, and I would be taking you through this journey. I come with some 30 years of experience across diverse industries, including strategic roles I played at American Express. With an impressive track record of working with leading Fortune 500 companies, I have spearheaded the establishment and transformation of over 20 plus multifunctional global capability centers. Let's start by exploring first how the setup of GCCs was done. I would also be sharing my experience in the last 3 decades in the GCC world and definitely the birth of my SRK Game Changers, my latest venture in the offshoring landscape. How is that we could revolutionize, create a game changing by leveraging the use of artificial intelligence and digital innovation. At the same time, building high performing teams and deriving a collaboration between the corporations, the business, the technologies. Are you ready to unlock the potential of GCCs like never before? My each episode is going to be a journey of discovery, exploring the untapped opportunities and the values GCCs can add in today's dynamic business landscape by harnessing the power of AI, data analytics to reimagining the customer engagement, how we can drive operational excellence. We're going to cover it all. As I shared in my trailer, American Express was the first captive which was set up back in 1994. It was also called as American Express Financial Resource Center, FRC East, as most of us know it by. It was started initially as a cost arbitrage, but later the fathers of GCC in 1994 itself had a vision. They created a vision as to how Amex could become a strategic partner, which is so true even today. They had a dream. It can't be just a reporting center. The focus was on automating the processes, reducing manual efforts. How is that, segment reporting could be automated, the zero account balance reconciliations, the branding, a robust and world-class close accounting process. And since Amex was a listed company, it was very important to ensure that we were reporting or closing our books on time. To creating a Six Sigma culture, they had it all. There are many examples, and we may run out of time, so we'll surely cover some of these. But I wanted to share one, a very day which I still remember and I can't forget. And I would say a good learning or teaching which I had from the Amex family. And today also this is so true and is applicable and I am able to use and I share when I talk about it with my friends or with my team. I still remember the day when at the UAT stage of my reporting tool for the advertisement and promotion process, I was part of it. It failed. Why? I went on thinking, we did the root cause analysis, and then we realized there is a big gap in what I want from a business perspective and what the understanding we get to our technical team. We have one team. So this helped me to kind of go back, think. And then when I bounced off with some of these fathers of the GCC, I learned a method one training, which helps us to build a gap between the business understanding and the technical aspects we wanted to automate in the processes. And that was the day and today. I have never failed in building out any of the tools which has a gap of the understanding between what business wanted and what technology could offer us. I not only learned a lot of new skills, I could actually also use this method one training today itself when I'm looking at some of the processes in TCS or in Accenture when I've been using how technology could help to solve a business problem. Let me also talk about, this method one training helped me to look at one more very fancy stuff, which is very close to my heart, Phantom FTT. Sounds fancy? Yes, it was. We created that in 2007 when we realized that our customers had a lot of problem accounts payable process. I mean, it was so manual. So we created this Phantom FT, which is going to auto send invoices to the accounts payable team members using the combination of their skill sets, the type and the category of invoices, the queue we wanted to clear, and also in terms of the urgency or any one-time payments which had to be made. To the on hold status, looking at it, on uploading the invoice process, the process data in ERP. And it also would give you a report which will give you in terms of, okay, these are the invoices which have not been done, there's an errors, and then the SMEs could look at in terms of fixing the errors. And we used to call them phantom FTs. So this was really very helpful. So not only this helped us to reduce our AP cost per invoice, which was a metrics, one of the metrics we were tracking. The other metrics, since we said we're going to become a strategic partner, was the leading AP practices, which will help our end customer. So this is just one example. Stay tuned. We're going to share more. And last week I attended the NASSCOM GCC conclave in Bangalore, and I would come back with more details about this in my next episode. So join us and stay tuned as we discuss with the industry expert, thought leaders, and GCC pioneers to uncover the actionable insight